How to get private key from Trust Wallet. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to get private key from Trust Wallet. So in order to get the private key from Trust Wallet, you have to follow the steps. First thing, go and log into your account. When logged in, that is going to take you to the home page, and this is how it's going to look like. While you're on this page, you need to go ahead and press the gear icon from the top right, go to wallet and tap the three dot icon next to it. After that, you need to go to manuals and then enter in your passcode one more time. And then you need to go ahead and select your secret phrase. So here you can see this is the secret phrase. So next you have to go ahead and press on the OK button, and as you're done with that procedure, now you need to exit out of your Trust Wallet and then open up a web browser, and on the web address bar you need to go ahead and type in BIP39. When you open up, just go ahead and press the first link, and here it's going to change any of the word into private key. So here you need to go ahead and paste in the key that you've recently copied. Here you can see this is the private keys. You could go ahead and copy it all and make some changes with, and you could explore all of these information. So likewise, that is how you could go ahead and get the private key from Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.